Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic American cruisers of the 1950s, the 1956 Mercury Montclair. This was a car that blended bold styling, upscale comfort, and solid 5.8 performance into one unforgettable package. Whether you're a fan of classic chrome, mid-century design, or pure Detroit muscle, the 56 Montclair delivers. Let's start with the exterior. Exterior. The 1956 Mercury Montclair stands as a perfect example of mid-50s American automotive design, big, bright, and unapologetically stylish. At the front, you'll notice a wide chrome grille with round headlights set in large chrome housings, giving the car a powerful and commanding presence. The hood carries Mercury's jet-inspired ornament, reflecting the era's fascination with aviation and futuristic styling. Along the sides, the Montclair shows off its most iconic design feature, the distinctive color sweep side trim. This stainless accent flows like a wave across the body, allowing for bold two-tone paint combinations such as Celebration Blue with classic white or Persimmon with Raven Black. The car sits on 15-inch steel wheels with polished hubcaps, and its long, low, and wide stance emphasizes comfort and cruising power. Chrome trim surrounds the windows, door handles, and bumpers. At the rear, sculpted fins hold jet-style taillights that complete the Montclair's dramatic look. Interior. Inside the cabin, the Montclair immediately reveals why it was the upscale model in Mercury's lineup. The interior combines luxury and mid-century flair, with white vinyl and cloth bench seats offered in striking two-tone layouts. These seats were built for comfort, making long highway drives feel relaxed and effortless. The dashboard uses a semi-wraparound design, featuring chrome accents, textured metal panels, and large, easy-to-read gauges. A deep dish steering wheel, electric clock, and push-button lubrication system came standard, while options included a 4-way power seat, power steering, power brakes, an AM radio with a rear speaker, electric windows, and a heater and defroster. Mercury designed the interior to feel both stylish and convenient, giving the Montclair a premium feel beyond Ford's standard models. Performance. Under the hood sits the 312 cubic inch Y-block V8, often called the Turnpike Cruiser engine. Depending on configuration, it produced between 225 and 235 horsepower, which was strong for the mid-1950s. Buyers could choose a 3-speed manual, an overdrive setup, or the popular Merc-O-Matic automatic transmission. The Montclair offered smooth acceleration and reliable power for both city driving and long interstate trips. With Mercury's sturdy chassis and upgraded suspension, the ride was surprisingly refined. When equipped with power steering and power brakes, the car felt easier to maneuver than its size might suggest. While fuel economy wasn't a highlight, performance certainly was, and the Montclair could comfortably cruise at 70 miles per hour, perfect for the expanding highways of the era. The 1956 Mercury Montclair remains an enduring symbol of American automotive history. Its bold styling, comfortable interior, and strong V8 performance captured the optimistic spirit of the 1950s. Today, it stands as a cherished classic, admired for its craftsmanship, presence, and unmistakable charm. Whether you're a collector or simply someone who appreciates timeless design, the 56 Montclair is a true piece of automotive art. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more classic car features.